Okay, I'm making a screencast of Weebly so I can show you how to get people to follow your blog. You have to go in and edit your site. So I'm logged in already. I'm going to click Edit Site. And I'm going to go to my blog page. Now, a lot of my pages on Weebly are not blogs, but static pages, which means they stay the same. The front page of our classroom site is a static page. I do not change things on here. I don't have a blog. But my parent news under What Did We Do in LA this week, you will see it as a blog because if you notice at the bottom, it will pop up down here. It says new post. I don't have any drafts. If I did, they would go right here. So what you need to do to make sure that your blog can be followed by others is you need to add this right here, this RSS feed. And how you do that, I can take mine off right here by clicking the X, which means delete, but I'm going to leave it up there. But I want to show you how you can do that. You have to go over here to the left. These are your basic tools. And you can look for blog feed, but that's not it. I thought that would be it. It's further down, further down. Is it feed reader? Let's see if that's the same thing. Nope, that's not it. I really don't want CNN News on mine. I'm going to try again. Sometimes Weebly does this. It takes a little bit of time for some things. I'm going to go back over here again. Maybe it is blog feed. Going to try that. Sure enough, that's it. It's called blog feed. So what you need to do in order to get other people to be able to read your blog is you need to make sure you put a blog feed on there. That is this one right here. So it's the second part. It's under blog sidebar. You can put in your author if you like. You can take it out if you like. You don't need that. You don't need archives, but you could get them there. Blog categories I like, and I think I have them, but I don't know how to create a category anymore. So let's try that. I'm going to go to new post. And with every new post, Weebly makes it easy, and they have you put a title here. I'm going to put trial post. Now in here, you need to add your text if you're going to start typing. You just start typing here. You can make it bold, you can make it bigger, you can change the color, you can do a lot of things here. What's nice too is you can add a link right here to something that you can open in a new window so people don't lose your site when they open it up to the new link. And it would look pretty instead of typing an HTTP blah blah blah. It'll look great because it'll be right on there. But what I'm looking for is to see if there's a category. And I don't see any way to put on categories. So if you can figure that out, that would be great. I will Google it soon to see how we can do that. I'm going to save this post and not publish it so I can work with it later. And now if you look down here, it will come up that I have a draft. And I can go to that post at any time, or I can go to it and click the X to delete it. It can stay in there for as long as I want, or I can delete it. Every time you want to make a new post, you just hit new post here. But every time you make a change to Weebly, you need to hit publish. And when you hit publish, then the changes will show up. So once you put in your RSS feeder, you hit publish. And then I always go to this X up here. They always want you to buy things. Just exit out, and then you're set. And then remember, in order to log out, you have to click Exit Editor, and then it's going to take you to that next page. And you also have to click Log Out here. So that is how you make sure people can read your blogs. Let's see if I can stop this.